Hello, my lovely. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Today, I'm gonna share my daughter her routine. How I am gonna take her out. Her hair is very dirty. I use a natural hair care olive oil treatment, and then this is my olive oil with rosemary that I use to pre-poo her hair. I will put oil in each of the individual hair. So I'm gonna take each hair out so I can get the hair ready to be washed. When I do that technique, it's so easy for me to wash our hair and to detangle our hair. And I will take my time and get each hair out. It's so good to have a hair routine for your little ones, and also you can use this hair routine for yourself too. I've been using it in my daughter, and I have seen a great improvement. And washing days are easier, and it's detangle. It'll take me less time because when I wasn't doing that method, I used to have a harder time getting her hair. I used to just wet her hair without doing this her wet oil treatment. And also, I will share with you guys of avocado treatment that I leave it for like an hour in her hair and I wash her hair. It's so good, and it helped me to get their hair great. My daughter like when I do this technique because she doesn't she have sensitive scarf. Usually when I don't do this, when I didn't used to do that technique, she used to scream because after I wash her hair, I would have like when I was taking her hair out, if I don't use oil, if I don't use water, if I don't spray it with water, like her hair will become, it's hurting her. She will be screaming, she will be making a lot of fuss. But when I do this part, she doesn't scream, and her like her I see a lot of her growth. And then also, guys, this technique is very good for young kids and for adult. Any type of hair you have, you can use this technique to, before you wash your hair, you take your time, get your hair out, and then get it pre-poo so your hair can really, you can see growth. Because our black natural black hair, it is very our hair is different, but it need a lot of patience, and it need a lot of love. And then this, take your time, take your time just so you can grow your hair. Watch the video to the end. Thank you. Yeah, but we have to do it first.
From the moment you step off the plane, you'll be greeted by a tropical breeze. Imagine your toes in the sand, the sound of the ocean, an ice-cold drink. Let the warm waves take away the stress. Feel relaxed. You deserve it. Find paradise. Escape. Escape.